when I do most of my videos, it is filmed on this Sony here. I got this one from Best Buy. I can see if there's a link to Amazon for it. I bought it so long ago, but it's a really good, it's a really good camera. It's been so good to me. It does have a little bit of a pop-out screen. Let me, here. It doesn't do the same as the other one where you can see it, but I like it. So if I'm filming vertically like this, I can pop out the screen so I can kind of see it and I don't have to be so high to see what's on the screen. So most of my stuff for my videos, so far everything has been filmed for my photo shoots and videos on this. And my vlogging has been done on that one. But I think I tried this one, and I don't know. This is my newest camera, so we may or may not use that one, but this one's been tried and true, and I know how to use it, so we'll keep moving forward with this guy. Right now, I'm on my phone, so now I have like 3 cameras working, but this is all for you. I'm doing it so that you can see how this process works.